In the digital age, knowing what your customers truly think is invaluable for success. Customer feedback is the compass that guides your decisions and strategies, but what if you don't know how to gather it effectively? Survicate rises to the challenge of transforming customer insights into actionable outcomes. Founded in 2013, this innovative platform specializes in offering intuitive customer feedback solutions tailored for digital businesses. What makes Survicate essential for your business? They provide multi-channel surveys that capture feedback wherever your customers are interacting with your brand. Imagine embedding surveys directly in your website, app, and emails to enhance engagement. Creating surveys has never been easier with Survicate's drag and drop survey builder, designed for users of all technical backgrounds. Within minutes, you can craft professional-looking surveys without the hassle of coding or complex processes. Need quick results? Survicate offers over 150 professional survey templates, optimized to help you capture key metrics like NPS, CSAT, and CES. Streamline your survey creation and focus on gaining insights rather than getting bogged down in design. Imagine effortlessly integrating Survicate with tools you already rely on, from Google Analytics to HubSpot. This seamless connection not only enriches data analysis but automates workflow across different teams in your organization. How does Survicate tackle common challenges faced by businesses? It combines a variety of survey channels to ensure you reach a broader audience, encouraging participation and amplifying your feedback collection efforts. Struggling to analyze the data you've collected? Survicate's AI-powered analysis tools offer insightful reports that help identify trends and pain points, transforming raw feedback into strategic insights. With Survicate, feedback isn't a standalone process, it integrates into your existing workflow, connecting your marketing, sales, and support functions seamlessly. This ensures you're always in tune with your customers' needs. When comparing Survicate to its competition, it stands out as a focused solution for digital businesses. With a user-friendly interface, multi-channel capabilities, and powerful analytics, it's poised to meet today's customer feedback challenges. Imagine the impact of using Survicate across different business sectors, from e-commerce post-purchase surveys revealing insights on customer satisfaction, to SaaS businesses gathering feedback on new features. So, is Survicate the right fit for you? If you're seeking an intuitive tool for effective customer feedback and actionable insights, your answer could very well be yes. Getting started with Survicate is simple. Sign up for a free trial to explore its powerful features, integrated into your existing platforms, and craft insightful surveys in a flash. Elevate your understanding of customer needs and enhance their experience with Survicate today. Remember, in a competitive digital landscape, knowledge is power. Equip yourself with Survicate and thrive.